Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to copy and paste values without formula in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, you can see here I created a formula. So when I will try to copy this, it will not copy. So you can see it will show like this. So if I want to copy and paste values without formula, then how can I do it? So just follow me. So here firstly select all these cells. So after that click the right side of mouse and here you can see copy options. Click on it and then select the cell where you want to copy, then click the right side of mouse and you can see paste special option. So click on it. So here you can see values options. So when you will click on values, so you can see OK options. Click on it. So when you will click on OK, you can see all is done. So you can see all values are copies and pasted without formula. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.